If you're having chronic shoulder pain, I'm going to show you something that's going to seem absolutely nuts on how you can improve the range of motion and quality of motion of your shoulder to help you get out of pain. So I was talking with Kelly here. She came up to me. She's like, Dr. Jordan, I'm having shoulder pain. Kelly, can you show us where you're having shoulder pain? So right here on the front part of her shoulder joint, I was assessing this and the rest of her spine by bringing her shoulders back this way. As I do that, her left shoulder moves back in the socket really easy. The right one is having a hard time gliding in the joint this direction. If I isolate just the collarbone here and see how that is through its range of motion, her collarbone moves super well. And then I like to do a shoulder impingement test. So this is something you can do at home. Put your hand on top of your shoulder, keep your palm flat, and lift your elbow up. Does that cause any pain? Yeah? Where's the pain? Right here. So that's a positive shoulder impingement test. So her shoulder is getting stuck in its joint. How about going on this side? Great range of motion, no pain doing that. So what we're going to do is adjust her shoulder here. So I'm going to get you on your back. There's so many different ways. You can go on your back. A lot of different ways to adjust the shoulder. What I found to be really effective on just isolating the shoulder while blocking the shoulder blade on the backside is just like this. So I'm going to have you put your hand behind your neck. I'm going to go right through here. On the back side, I'm going to block her shoulder blade. And I can really engage just her shoulder right here, or her collarbone if I feel like the collarbone is engaged. Does that feel okay? And right here, I'll be taking a breath in and out. Whew, that moved beautifully. And you just sitting back up. So that was just her shoulder that moved safely through its range of motion. I'm going to bring your shoulders back again. Nice, way better quality of motion. I'd try that shoulder impingement test again. Raise your elbow up. Any discomfort? Cool. So just as something as simple as a chiropractic adjustment to the shoulder helped get her out of that shoulder impingement. Now I want to show you something that's going to be really crazy, but super easy to do. I'm going to get you laying on your back. So you can improve the strength of your shoulder and help get out of shoulder pain just by laying on the ground. So just in this position, she's going to bring her hands back. So elbows and shoulders are at 90 degrees here. Her wrists are flat on the ground here. If you are lacking shoulder mobility, what you'll notice is it's going to be really hard for you to keep your elbow and your wrist on the ground. So you might be more like this in this position. But we're going to turn this into an exercise by engaging the muscles in her shoulder. So I want you to take a huge breath in up here, hold that breath in, and then pull your shoulders back and down. Nice. So think about your lats and shoulder blades on the back side. Pull your shoulder blades back down. Awesome. So you feel how that's using the muscles on the back side. You'll get a nice stretch on the front side here. So now we can go through the range of motion. She's going to take huge breaths in. Keep pushing your elbows and your wrists into the ground and then start to bring your hands up overhead. Keeping that pressure into her elbows and into her hands, she's going to be using the muscles on the back side here while stretching the muscles on the front side. Just by doing this at home, in your living room, wherever you're at, you can improve how well your shoulder is moving, and you're really going to start to use the muscles on the backside, which make your shoulders stronger, so to help you get you out of pain. So if this is something that you have been dealing with, if you've been having shoulder pain for long periods of time, the reality is that you don't have to suffer with shoulder pain. There are options like chiropractic care. You don't need surgery in most cases. You don't need to take prescription drugs in most cases. You don't need to get repetitive cortisone shots in most cases. You can seek a chiropractor like myself and us here at the Source Chiropractic to help you out and get you out of shoulder pain. If you have any questions or you have any comments, I would love to hear from you. If you'd like to schedule a 15-minute free consultation over the phone, you can see the top of my page up above where we can schedule that. Either way, I love and appreciate you, and let's try and help you and others get out of shoulder pain.